So you are looking to download the game Jurassic World Evolution 3 on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games legally online. Now what you need to do is go to Google and open your Google browser. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. And now we need to quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So quickly go to the Steam website. Don't waste too much time over there and search up the game Jurassic World Evolution 3. Select the game. Once you are there, scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game on Steam is quite expensive, €59.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, and then you will be redirected to this page. Now what we need to do now is search for the same game, Jurassic World Evolution 3, and search for the game. Then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then we need to look for a PC version with this text marked green so it can be activated in our country. And once I have scrolled down, I will find the PC version with this text marked green, very important, otherwise it won't work. Now you can open the game page by clicking on it. After that, you can purchase this game for just €38.45 compared to the Steam price of €59.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!